Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Sorry, ready?
Yeah. I can start this?
Yes. Sorry about that.
Okay. I would like to ask someone from the audience to ask 2 quick questions.
Yeah.
Maybe you, sir? And what's your name?
Michael.
And what's your date of birth?
It's 3rd of August, 1988.
Are you aware of the fact that with only these 2 informations, the hacker could potentially steal all your medical records? That's super scary, you know, but it's actually could get even more scary. Many companies are actually facing data breaches, and this is an ongoing thing. One of them is the case here with the Capital One, where 100 million US citizens have their data stolen. And also this is increasing, especially in Europe. Companies are being fined very heavily, like the case of the British Airways, which faced 183 million euros for a data breach. And that's a big problem there. And we think that us as individuals, we should safeguard our data and our identities. And this is especially true now because with GDPR and AVG regulations, these companies are being faced with very hefty fees as well because they are having this great responsibility. So why are they holding this information? Who are controlling this data? Is it you? And I remember a few months ago in Bulgaria, 5 million people got their data hacked in a breach, and Bulgaria is a country with 7 million citizens, so you can see how big is that the problem. And imagine if that happens in Holland. We believe that your personal data should stay with you and not with external parties, unless you authorize that and you allow them to do that so. So let's change this obsolete system. We believe that your personal data should stay with you and only you, and you should be the one that should manage your information. So what is it that we are offering? For individuals, we have built an application that can be installed on your phone, and through integrations with DHID, EDIN, or any other Know Your Customer solution, this application can be used for you to identify yourself over the phone. For companies, we have built an API that can be integrated on existing applications and allow users to have the same security. No more sharing information over the phone. We have many use cases. One of them is finance, medical records, and many more. So how does it work in practice? With this solution, any individual can get access to a stadium, a school, or a hospital without having to show their identifications, which is quite important. In order for us to offer this solution, we have built a blockchain platform from the scratch, and to allow these private interactions between users and companies. Smilo is a hybrid blockchain platform that is facilitating public and private smart contracts in one platform. Smilo is currently evolving. We are actually having unique features. One of them is that we are able to interoperate between blockchains, Ethereum and Hyperledger. And our solution also supports different consensus algorithms like the BFT+, which is our own, POS DAO, TNW, Istanbul, Click, Proof of Work, and many more. Smilo also supports governance dApps. This dApps allows management of the consensus in a transparent and easy way, facilitating governance for enterprises. So they can add and remove validators from the blockchain within this smart contracts. So Smilo platform is hybrid, sustainable, scalable, and Ethereum compatible. So just to resume, we think because of all these data leaks, we as individuals should demand privacy and protect our personal data actively. The current solutions are not able to keep hackers away, and our data is being constantly exposed. Private and permission blockchains are not solving this problem, and they are doing security through obscurity. So help us change this reality. With us, hackers will have to hack somewhere else. Thank you.